The best ways to enjoy a camping trip. Camping is a great way to spend time alone or with a large group. Being in nature can be a very soothing and relaxing experience, and camping can offer that. If you are looking for tips on how to make your next trip a relaxing one, this video can help. A great item to put in your camping backpack when going in the backcountry is a Ziploc bag filled with dryer lint. There is no better fire starting material than dryer lint. It will hold a spark and get your fire going quickly and efficiently. Dryer lint takes up almost no space in your pack and is very lightweight. Water is very important when camping. When camping at a campground, there should be ample supply of water available, but on the trail, you will have to carry some with you. If you are going long distances, you should probably carry iodine tablets to sanitize any water you find before drinking. Be careful, dysentery can be deadly. Know what is available in the area around your campsite. You may get lucky and have beautiful weather the entire time. However, you may also face inclement weather, too. Have a backup plan in case you need a diversion. This is particularly crucial if you have kids, but adults need a little entertainment as well. If your canteen is beginning to smell musty, you can give it a good cleaning with baking soda. Place a little bit of water in your canteen, and then add 3 tablespoons of baking soda. Shake gently, let it sit for 60 minutes, and then rinse with water. Your canteen will be refreshingly clean. Take a first aid class, particularly if you are traveling with children. Should an emergency arise, your knowledge of first aid can prevent further issues until help arrives. In addition, make sure you do enough research on the area. You should be aware of the poisonous snakes, wild animals, etc., that inhabit the area. Ask a park ranger or a tour guide to let you know about all the places to check out while you are camping. This is a good idea so that you know you are getting the most out of your camping experience. You don't want to take a camping trip and miss out on a fun experience. You can make camping a fun and relaxing way to spend some time out in nature and enjoy all that it has to offer. Use the helpful tips shared in this video and you will have the time of your life next time you go on a camping adventure. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed, for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.